Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can connect and pair with another Bluetooth device on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Once it is switched on, then go to the device that you want to connect and make sure that it is turned on, and turn on the discovery. So for this Samsung Galaxy earphone, if I just open it, I can make it become discover. So I can try to take it out, put it in, and you can see now it shows on my iPhone that I can connect to the Galaxy Buds. So what you want to do is just tap on it, and from here it will automatically try to connect to the earphone. So you can go to another device and do the same thing. Each device works a little bit differently. For example, on this earphone here, on this headphone, to make it become discovery, you can press on the button, press and hold. So once the light starts flashing, it will become discovered, and then on the iPhone shortly it can detect any open connection. So again, we just need to press on the button to make it become discoverable. Okay, so you can see I just need to press and hold onto this button for a little while, and it will appears in other devices section, and then I can simply just tap on it to connect. And that's it. So that's how you can connect and pair to another Bluetooth device on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So this one says unsuccessful. Maybe it could because it is switched off. So I'm just going to switch back on, and then I will retry to connect. So still it's not connecting. Then if that's not connecting, what you can do is try to perhaps turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on, and I will press on the button again. So over here it asks me, do I want to connect? I can tap on the connect button, and it shows that it is now connected. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.